mamaya na lang po para sa recital. Go.
Wish ko sa'yo ngayon, sana lahat ng our decisions mo sa buhay or even in the future, sana magawa mo lahat.
Message and wish po.
Happy birthday, Aryan. Mag-aral ka mabuti para maabot mo yung goal mo sa buhay. Nasa legal age ka na. Tapos alam mo na yung lagi mo tatandaan na mahal na natin. Happy birthday.
Okay ba picture?
Wala si Ate Bea, kaya pinababasa niya na lang yung message niya sa'yo. Thank you for inviting me to your debut party, Aryan. But I just can't go because I have to attend my Saturday class. Anyway, happy birthday and congratulations, Aryan. You have grown into an amazing young woman. I wish you success, happiness, and adventure ahead. May you keep shining bright and achieving greatness, Ate Bea Montesa. Love, Ate Bea.
Ayan, ma'am, picture po. Okay, get ready po ang ating next of 18 roses, 18 candle. May I call on Jinky. Jinky Hunyo. Ma'am Jinky.
Sana mag-aral ka mabuti at huwag mo naman maglamoy. Basta lagi lang mag-ingat sa pag-aaral. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay, ma'am, what is your message and wish po?